Hello guys, welcome back my friends. Thank you for viewing my videos. I'd like to show you my new coil in this video, and I would like to get some advices from you, if I could, on how to isolate this strip, and that's what this coil is made out of. This is a first test coil that I have made using this wire. Well, using this strip instead of wire. This is a 15 millimeter point by 0.5 millimeter thick copper strip that I have used in this coil. And just to compare, this coil is made out of 14 gauge copper wire, and here is the comparison. This is the 14 gauge copper wire that this coil is made out of, and this is a 15 millimeter strip. So this wire is 1.7 millimeter thick, and this one is 15 millimeter wide by half a millimeter thick. So I'm not sure how many layers I made here. Probably, I don't know, I'm not gonna be guessing, like 30 or something layers, maybe more, 40. Here there's only 15 layers on this one. So what I am expecting to have, the reason I made this is to have some improvements. The first improvement is it should take longer to heat up for the same amount of energy. If I compare this coil to this coil will have a lower internal resistance, which means that I will be able to get more energy out of it before it heats up to the same temperature as this coil. Also, the second improvement is this coil, sometimes it bulges out here. It's because it gets hot and it expands, and this coil, when it gets hot, it cannot expand this way, so it can only slightly expand that way, and that's okay. That's not gonna make it bulge out. So that's number two improvement. Number three, this is much thicker conductor, so I should be able to get much more Teslas out of it. For example, if I get 2.4 Tesla from BB Impulsor 5B, then if I would have used this coil, I'm expecting to get 3.5 Tesla, possibly 3.8 Tesla, somewhere around there, using the same unit. But I'll have to have a thicker wire. In here I'm using 8 gauge. Right now it's not flexible wire, but later on, this is just a test coil that I made. I didn't even put a solid pole indicator in here, which I usually do. Alright guys, just want to show you this, and what I wanted to ask you is how to insulate this. I mean, I don't have like a lot of money to buy different equipment. I just want to have possibly like some type of tape where I can tape it over, or maybe spray it to have some kind of I don't know, isolation in between, like a clear coat or something. That's what I want to ask you. If you guys are familiar how to make a good insulation on wire with a spray paint or something, please give me a suggestion. I'll really appreciate it. Alright guys, subscribe, give me thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.